Hello friends, my name is Aditya Goyal. I joined Akash in 2018 for 2-year classroom integrated course. All the years spent in Akash helped me in my learning process. I am very thankful to my teachers who always guided me in the right direction. I am extremely happy today for the success, and all credit goes to the Almighty God, my parents and Akash Institute. Respected Chairman Sir at Akash motivated me and inspired me every now and then through his personal interaction and motivational speeches, which are oriented towards cultural values along with providing respect to our parents and elders. This is a unique feature at Akash Institute. Most of our doubts are properly cleared in the classroom session itself. In the doubt sessions, teachers focus on our weak topics and doubts from additional books such as reference books like NCERT, H.C. Verma, and also respective books in chemistry and maths. We get one-to-one attention, which is very good for our personal capacity building and doing problems which are higher order and are not usually taught in the school classes. So this is a very good exercise. We can come anytime for the doubt session, and teachers are always ready to answer our doubts, and that helps us in our studies. The faculty at Akash is well qualified and highly experienced. The atmosphere is competitive, which helps us inculcate a competitive spirit in us. Personalized attention is given in classes which help to analyze our performance. Akash provides standardized content and coaching methods which help us prepare well for the exam. The best thing about Akash is that it follows a systematic academic delivery model that enhances our conceptual knowledge base. Regular tests are conducted which help to improve our accuracy and speed. The faculty members deliver the courses in an interactive manner. The faculty members make constant efforts to reach out to us and pay close attention to our needs. The faculty helps us in our day-to-day academic studies. Daily attendance checks are conducted. Regular parent-teacher meetings are conducted. I feel that the environment at Akash is conducive for learning. Akash provides with modern infrastructure. The classrooms are comfortable and properly lit. Library is well stocked. There are iTutor labs. Strict discipline is observed at Akash, which helps us to engage in focused learning. All India Akash Test Series AIATS gives us an opportunity to test our knowledge at all India level. The test papers are prepared by experienced Akash faculty and aim at preparing us for the actual entrance examinations and allow us to benchmark our performance against other students. Akash provides high quality study material which contains illustrative theory and application-based questions. The contents of the study material are provided in the form of questions and corresponding answers which simplify the learning process. The study materials also include significant points and summaries of each topic, pictures and illustrations, and question papers from previous board examinations, which help us to easily understand and memorize the content. Multiple questions are provided in the study materials, which help us to face various competitive examinations. The study materials are updated with the latest curriculum. A series of tests and examinations are conducted each fortnight and term, which helps to evaluate our preparation and prepare us well to face various board and other competitive examinations. We are provided with a printed model answer paper after each examination, along with the marking scheme, which clarifies our doubts on various questions related to the examination. Mock examinations in a manner similar to various board examinations are conducted in order to offer us a realistic experience. It helps to boost our confidence to face the board examinations. Our results in the fortnightly tests and term examinations are reviewed and evaluated continuously, which helps us to identify our mistakes and improve them. I will forever cherish my journey with Akash. Friends like I have, you too can achieve your goal with Akash.